Are you in study depression? Have you ever find study difficult, boring, lazy, or frustrating? You have taken admission in the course you want to be, but still find that course very uninteresting or less interesting than what you were interested in that before taking admission? You are intelligent enough, but still find your study difficult or troublesome. If any of these symptoms occur, then you are definitely suffered from something called as study depression. In your school, college, academic life, due to many barriers in your life, in your studies, in your teaching learning process, due to this education system, due to various social, intellectual, personal, and systematic barriers in academic and your personal life, you generally by time get the tendency of something called as this study depression. Just like depression, this study depression doesn't cause any organic loss in yourself, but still causes you to suffer like a disease of depression. Only difference is that in study depression, you just have the depression about study and learning. So, how to recover from it? To recover, you first have a clear idea of what learning is and what study is. Learning means getting know, to get know about something, about anything, about the thing you don't have any idea about. And the process of learning is known as study. For example, if you don't know something about some particular thing, some particular machine, some particular science, or anything else, you just search internet, you just google it about it, or you just go to library and choose the relevant book and open it and start reading it about it, or you just ask your friend or ask some teacher or ask some expert who is having idea about that. So you just want to know about that, and to get know is just learning. So the process of letting know is study. Study is nothing but process of learning. That's it. You want to learn. That's it. And to learn, the process, a very simple and interesting process, is called as study. You just read the book. You just listen to someone, or you just observe something, or you just see the practical working of some machine or something else. This process is known as study. But it is the only study depression that makes you feel bored in study while studying. It is the study depression only that make your study troublesome or difficult. So it is very important to recover from this study depression, because it's the only thing that is not getting you to study. It is the only thing that is making your study boring. Even when I am talking to you, and whenever the word is coming study, 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 you are feeling some bored kind of thing. You are getting some boring kind of feeling. It's natural because you have got the tendency of study depression. That's it. And you only have to recover from this study depression, because it is not just about this particular event or year, it's just about your future. Whatever you want to be, whatever percentage you want to score, whatever knowledge you want to get, and for finally whatever you want to be, it will depend just on this study, this event, this year, this study. So recovering or coming out of this study depression is really very important. Just help yourself, because it is only you who can yourself and no one else. Just help yourself and your friend to cope with study depression, to come out of this study depression. And even sometime if you need some expert advice or expert help or guidance, just take it. Take help of your friends, your family, your parents, and especially your faculty, and someone else who is expert in some area. But to recover from this study depression, you yourself have to make an effort. And in case you need some expert help or advice or guidance, just take it. Thanks for watching my video. And if you have any query or training requirement, just mail me at ask@solupad.com or register@solupad.com, or just visit my website solupad.com. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself and take care of your study, because it is only your study that will make your future, that will make you. Thank you. Take care.